COVID-19 pandemic response by Sharp NGO. COVID-19 pandemic led to stringent quarantine policies on the citizens. Sharp NGO streamlined all its operations toward meeting India's COVID-19 containment goals. Using a four-fold approach for school and community members targeting student innovations, mental health, fundraising for doctors and policemen, as well as building an all-India digital awareness volunteer base. Sharp NGO was able to create knowledge platforms on sanitation and hygiene and COVID-19 awareness. COVID-19 Digital Awareness Volunteer Campaign. Sharp NGO launched the All India Digital Awareness Volunteer Campaign aimed at raising awareness and building an on-ground workforce to aid health workers, and the campaign registration crossed 1,200 plus volunteers within 2 weeks of launch. Aimed at providing a platform to harness the potential of young minds and contribute their innovative ideas to champion field challenges thrown by COVID-19. The All India COVID-19 Innovation Challenge received over 100 innovations. Interventions for mental health in school. Quarantine associated with COVID-19 has been particularly stressful for adolescents. Teaching on platforms such as Skype and Zoom has raised alarming concerns of increased screen time and stunted physical development. Sharp NGO partnered with University of British Columbia in Canada for 8 weeks to develop a model for in-school mental health program in India. Students worked in task groups to discover the current needs and challenges of mental health in Indian schools and developed intervention tools to cater to the same. Abhivyakti, a magazine promoting mental well-being. Abhivyakti is a digital magazine for creativity and expression aimed at promoting positive psychology in school students during COVID-imposed lockdown. We received over 300 entries from all over India to feature in the magazine. Webinar series on youth and adolescent health was initiated, with an aim to highlight and educate the educators about problems faced by adolescents during and after the pandemic and to create an open platform for everyone. Today we complete 38 webinars reaching to over lakhs of people. Initiating behavior change. Interactive and relevant IEC materials were shared with students and teachers on a daily basis through WhatsApp groups in local languages. IEC materials disseminated daily through WhatsApp, it had a reach of 8,000 plus. A series of workshops and capacity building sessions were conducted throughout the months on COVID-19 road safety, nutrition during lockdown and menstrual hygiene. Installation of health corners. Health corners have been installed on World Health Day, 5 each in Lucknow, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai and Bangalore. This was done to highlight key messages of healthcare and COVID-19 appropriate behaviors for each child. Strengthening government relief work during COVID-19. Distribution of ration kits. Distribution of hygiene kits. Distribution of nutrition kits. Kits are being distributed catering to nutrition and wash status of the community, focusing on young mothers, pregnant women and adolescent girls. 3,000 ration kits, 5,018 hygiene kits, 1,000 nutrition kits have been distributed till now in the communities and to police and traffic police officials. Liaisoning with Government of Punjab and Haryana to promote COVID-19 appropriate behaviors. Liaisoning with important district-level officials of Patiala, support gathered from CMO and SMO on the COVID-19 awareness campaign. Wall painting to raise awareness. Vaccination and awareness drives. Vaccination drives are being conducted in 20 project villages. Awareness campaigns involving health champions are motivating frontline workers and eligible community members to get vaccinated. And the COVID-19 response still continues. Support Sharp NGO as we fight with COVID-19 to reach more vulnerable groups. To read more about our work, please visit our website.